Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll show you the procedure to add someone on Cash App. If you want to add someone onto your Cash App account, then you have to follow these steps. First of all, open your Cash App and tap the active or tap the invite friend options. You have to do is when someone new to Cash App creates an account. So what you could do is here, once you go ahead and tap on the invite friend option, then then enter in the Cashtag or phone number or an email address and click on allow. Afterwards, you simply want to go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt whenever someone new to Cash App creates an account, entering your referral code and send a qualifying payment from a newly linked debit card. You'll both get an invitation bonus, and that is how you could go ahead and add someone on Cash App or Cash App. So likewise, the other way to add is by entering the contact name and adding them on your Cash App as well. That's the other way to do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.